everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install our shifter pegs on your forward controls. So today we have a shift lever from a VT750, and I've already put it in a vise here so we can cut this off. First thing you're going to want to do is cut off the rubber here. You can see this part just kind of spins around, but you'll want to cut that off. And make sure you always cut towards a friend or a family member. Never cut towards yourself. So now we're going to take a cutoff wheel and cut right here. There's a post. I'll actually take this out. Hopefully you can see this. You're going to make a cut right there. Now you can see we've cut off our shifter peg, the stock one, and we're left with a little bit of a rough surface here, so we're going to clean that up with a grinder. Okay, here you can see we've cut off the stock shifter and we've cleaned up the surface here so it's nice and smooth. And now we're going to center punch it and drill a hole. So now I'm going to mark where I want my shifter peg to be located. Put it right about in the center. So we'll have it sit right about there. I'm going to center punch that now. So what I've done now is I've marked the place I'm going to put the hole for the shifter peg, and I've center punched it. Now I'm going to drill a pilot hole before I drill the actual hole for the bolt that will hold our shifter peg on. And I'm going to open up that hole to the magical number of 21/64. It's about a step above a 5/16. The bolt hole in the shifter peg is a 5/16 hole. So if you put a 5/16 hole in here, that bolt's going to be real tough to get in. So I like to go one size up. That way everything slides in nice and easy. So now we've drilled our hole for the bolt. I'm going to clean up both these edges. And yes, that is very hot. See, it's smoking. Alright, the next thing you're going to do here is take your shifter peg, put it right here. We've got a bolt with some anti-seize on it. You're going to thread those in. Bolt them up. Hot jambalaya. So you have now bolted up your shifter peg to your shifter. Super, super easy. You can actually leave your shifter on the bike if you want to do this. Just makes it a little easier and easier for taking pictures of it to put it on a bench. Up here it's a lot easier to access, a lot easier to cut. But if you're not comfortable pulling all this stuff off your bike, you can very easily do this while these are on the bike still.